Friends, do you know that thousands of tons of metal debris are uncontrollably orbiting our Earth at a speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour? According to NASA and the European Space Agency, more than 9,000 tons of space debris currently exist in Earth's orbit. This includes over 36,000 objects larger than 10 centimeters, and more than 10 million tiny fragments that are invisible to the eye but can be deadly upon impact. All of these objects are orbiting the Earth at speeds of around 28,000 kilometers per hour. At this speed, even a small piece of metal can completely destroy an active satellite and cause the internet, GPS, and weather information systems to shut down at the same time. This debris comes from defunct satellites and discarded parts of rockets launched into space. Because this debris is not stationary, some of it moves closer to Earth every single day. Most pieces burn up in the atmosphere, but not always. Scientists warn that if collisions in space increase, this process could spiral out of control. This dangerous chain reaction is known as the Kessler syndrome. To deal with this threat, scientists are working on laser-based and robotic technologies. And new satellites are being designed in a way that once their mission ends, they automatically re-enter Earth's atmosphere and burn up on their own.